Welcome back to my channel, Interior Styles by Ty. Thank you to all my current subscribers, and if you would like to become a part of the family, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified of the next upload. So today I'm doing a collaboration with the Heavens Pearls, and what we had to do is we had to decorate with vibrant summer colors and May florals. We also had to do a scripture of our choice on wisdom, and I chose to do Proverbs 8:11 in the New Living Translation. And that reads, "For wisdom is far more valuable than rubies. Nothing you desire can compare with it." And also with the ladies, don't forget to check out their channels, and I'm going to have their channels in the description box below, also with the playlist so you can watch each video one after another. So the host of this collaboration is DIY Designs by CCW, Levels of Style by Sandra, Jazzy Green Decor Style, Glam Queen of DIY, Love is the Main Key, Design and Style with Stacy, Glamour Ellen, Designers Loft, and Debbie Bubbles. So stay tuned, watch my video, and then go check out theirs. So let's get started. I hope you enjoyed my vibrant summer tablescape. Don't forget to like and share the video and stay tuned for my next videos to come. And don't forget to check out the ladies' videos in my description box and the playlist. So until then, stay blessed.